income exempted. The tax law, especially Personal Income Tax Act of 1993 as amended, did not define exempt income, but Justice Belgore in Northern Nigeria Investment Limited versus FBIR defined the expression exempt income as a income primarily subject to tax but exempt under another provision of a tax law. Thus, exempt income is an income subject to tax under a particular provision of the law but only taken out of the taxing law by the relevant exempting provisions. So we can use that one as the definition of a exempt income. Exempt income is an income subject to tax under a particular provision of the law but only taken out of the taxing law by the relevant exempting provisions. The implication of the above is that every income or profit of a taxable person is taxable under the tax laws. Implications: 1. Every income or profit of a taxable person is taxable under the tax laws. Some income are taxable under different tax acts due to their nature or source. Some incomes are taxable under different tax acts due to their nature or source. Some provisions in the tax law exempt some taxable person's income from being subject to tax in certain jurisdictions. Some provisions in the tax laws exempt some taxable person person's income from being subject to tax in certain jurisdiction.